Hi guys, so Samsung is about to destroy the competition with the Exynos 2200. They just dropped the official introduction explaining every detail about the chipset, and Samsung really focused on gaming this time. We're also going to talk about official press HD renders of all three S22 variants courtesy of Evan Blass. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So last week, Samsung released a video for the Exynos 2200, and we thought that was the official introduction, but it turns out that must have been a trailer, because Samsung just dropped the official introduction video and it is absolutely amazing. So we already know Samsung worked with AMD to design the GPU on the Exynos 2200, and it's called the Xclipse 920. The GPU is built on AMD's RDNA2 architecture and supports console gaming features like hardware-dedicated ray tracing acceleration, which is gonna greatly improve the graphics quality by the movement of light reflection across the screen. It's also gonna offer variable rate shading, which will help it render extremely dynamic scenes at more stable frame rates. Now, we already know the Exynos 2200 is gonna use the same cores and clusters as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So a prime core, which is the Cortex X2 built on ARM v9 architecture. Now, we don't really know how well it's gonna perform in terms of heating and power consumption, but we do know that it was built on a superior 4nm process than what the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 was built on. So it's supposed to offer similar performance while consuming less power and producing less heat. Now, that's just a theory. We'd have to wait for the device to get in the hands of people to confirm that. The chipset has a new 5G modem that supports download speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, and it also has twice as much artificial intelligence capabilities as the Exynos 2100, and we're really gonna see the artificial intelligence put into work with the cameras, because Samsung is using the same 108 megapixel sensor, so the improvements are gonna come down to software optimization, image processing, and artificial intelligence. And according to Ice Universe, the cameras are gonna be amazing. So we also got official press renders of all three variants of the Galaxy S22 series, courtesy of Evan Blass. It shows the S22 and S22 Plus from all angles, and Samsung is gonna make the frame thicker. So from the S7 series, Samsung used a narrow aluminum frame with a curved back. This time, they're going back to the design of the Galaxy S6, which had a thick aluminum frame with flat edges on the front and back. It also kinda looks like the iPhone 13s. For the S22 Ultra, it pretty much confirms everything we know about it. It's gonna be designed like a Note and will have a silo for the S Pen. It's gonna use a water drop camera design on the back and will house 4 cameras, a laser autofocus system, and a flashlight. I like how the S22 Ultra retains the narrow aluminum frames on the side. Let me know if you prefer the thicker or narrow frames in the comment section below. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.